Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared flame grilled tandoori chicken. Flame grilled tandoori chicken is very easy to prepare at home. I used whole chicken legs from Meamo Meats. I am absolutely enjoying Meamo Meats. Meamo Meats is 100% jet cut meat, which is cruelty and painless butchering. Jet cut meat is wonderful. It has got wonderful flavors and taste in it. The meat is basically cleaned thoroughly and hygienically washed in turmeric, then packaged and shipped to your doorstep. Definitely use the promo code Vidya10 and purchase Meamo meats and see it for yourself how flavorful and tasty your dishes turn out. It was very clean and very neatly packaged, does not have any smell. All I had to do is wash the meat thoroughly. Here I've used whole chicken legs for this recipe, which is thoroughly washed, and I slit the chicken front and back and I've reserved it. So the chicken legs, I've added it to a mixing bowl once all that moisture is drained. Now I'll be adding the spice powders and start marinating my chicken. First and foremost, I'll be using chili paste. Just grind your chili paste and add it to the chicken. Don't add anything to that. The reason why I'm doing it separately because the flavors change. Here I've added ginger garlic paste, Degi Mirchi and Kashmiri red chili powder. I'll be adding tandoori chicken masala. You can also use kitchen king masala, pepper powder. Then I've added some cumin powder, mustard oil. Also grind your Kasoori Methi and add Kasoori Methi powder. Once I've added mustard oil, I've added hung yogurt and few drops of vinegar. Don't use too much of vinegar. This is hung yogurt. Don't use your regular curd, use hung yogurt. Now I've marinated all the ingredients in the chicken. I've mixed it thoroughly, massaged it in the chicken well. I'll be adding salt as per taste. Now once I've massaged all the ingredients in the chicken, place the cover and place the chicken in the refrigerator. Allowed it to marinate for 4 hours. Minimum 4 hours. If you leave it overnight, it's better. Now friends, I've heated a pan on medium flame. Once the pan has reached temperature, I've not added anything to the pan. I've just placed the marinated chicken in the pan. We will not waste any of that marination. We will add all that marination to the chicken along with half a glass of water. We'll cover the chicken and cook it till it's tender. Don't cook your chicken just like that. It needs some moisture. It will absorb all that moisture and it will be tender when we are grilling it. So we'll cook this on high flame. Now I'll place a cover and I've allowed it to cook for 10 minutes. Now you can see the chicken has absorbed most of that moisture and it's cooked well. I'll remove it from the flame, allow it to cool down, place it in the box, and once it's cooled down completely, I'll refrigerate this again. It has to be refrigerated for a minimum of 4 hours. This is a very important process. If you don't refrigerate the meat now, once you're flame grilling it, all that masala is going to melt and nothing is going to stick on the chicken. You have to refrigerate the chicken at this point. Once the chicken is nice and cold, remove from the fridge, allow it to reach room temperature. Then place your grill rack on the stove and place the chicken. Start grilling your chicken. Generously apply butter. Don't leave it dry as it is. You have to apply butter to both sides and grill the chicken. Once the chicken has grilled, it will take 2 to 3 minutes to grill on each side. Once that grill marks have formed, your flame grilled tandoori chicken is ready. Do use my promo code friends to purchase Meamo meats. Meamo meats is wonderful. The taste and flavor is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it. It does not contain any sort of smell. The meat is excellent. I highly recommend it. So the promo code is Vidya10. All the information will be in the description box below this video. The chicken is wonderfully flame grilled. I purchased this grill frame from the local market. You can also find it on Amazon. It's very easily available. This is the easiest way to grill your meats. So do try it. I highly recommend it. All the information on Meamo Meats, my blog link and social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. You can see how wonderfully the grill marks are formed and it's evenly cooked. The chicken was absolutely yummy. Your tandoori chicken does not require barbecues or coal. It does not require all of that. You can prepare it on the stove top itself. Do try it at home and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.